Hi guys, welcome to another week of painting. This week we are going to do a lot of the same stuff that we have been doing actually. So we are going to continue working on our sketches. We're going to continue working on that Freaky Friday. And the biggest thing that we're switching up is our project, which this week is going to be negative space painting. Now, I've already included a huge video on how to do this on Google Classroom, and so hopefully by now you should have watched that. I know it's long, I know it's sort of annoying, and in fact, one of my students said yesterday that you really just need to watch the first 3 minutes before you're like, I know what I'm doing for this entire project. So if you're like that, I totally get it. Just watch the first 3 minutes then, and you'll be fine. And so Tuesday, you should have been choosing a simple shape that you can repeat over and over again and really focus on that background area rather than the actual object itself. For me, that was that tree. And then Wednesday and Thursday, but today you should be finishing layers 2 through 5. These are finished examples of what it could look like at the end. You do not have to choose something nature inspired though. My students in here are doing gingerbread men. I saw them choose gift boxes. I see them choosing cityscapes. There are some really, really fun ideas that aren't necessarily nature. And so don't feel like all these examples limit you. Choose what you want to as long as you can draw that shape 15 times. And so just think to yourself, is this too complicated? If you have to spend an hour drawing one of those shapes, it's probably too complicated. Anyway, I explain all of this in the negative space painting video. I just realized I hadn't given you guys my weekly walkthrough video like I normally do. And so I just wanted to correct myself, check myself, and submit that ASAP. All right, guys, good luck this week.